Investing in energy-efficient windows can transform your home in numerous ways, from reducing utility bills to enhancing comfort and boosting property value. For Birmingham homeowners, where weather patterns range from humid summers to chilly winters, upgrading to energy-efficient windows offers year-round advantages. Here's a closer look at why making this switch is a smart choice for your home. Lower energy bills. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce energy consumption. These windows are designed with advanced technologies, such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulating frames, all of which prevent heat transfer. This means your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer without overworking your HVAC system. In Birmingham's fluctuating climate, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature translates to significant savings on heating and cooling costs. Over time, energy-efficient windows pay for themselves by reducing your monthly utility bills. Enhanced indoor comfort. Tired of drafty rooms during Birmingham's cold snaps or sweltering heat creeping in during the summer? Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your living space consistently comfortable throughout the year. The specialized coatings on the glass minimize heat loss in colder months and reflect heat during the summer, creating a stable, cozy environment. By eliminating drafts and reducing temperature fluctuations, energy-efficient windows allow you to enjoy a more pleasant home atmosphere regardless of the weather outside. Increased home value. Installing energy-efficient windows is an investment that adds value to your home. Home buyers are increasingly drawn to properties with green features that promote energy savings. In Birmingham's competitive real estate market, homes equipped with energy-efficient upgrades often stand out and command a higher selling price. By enhancing your home's energy performance, you can make it more attractive to potential buyers and recoup a significant portion of your investment if you decide to sell. Reduced carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows contribute to a greener planet by lowering energy consumption and reducing your carbon footprint. Birmingham homeowners who prioritize sustainability can feel good about using less energy and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. This environmentally conscious choice benefits both your household and the broader community by promoting energy conservation. Better sound insulation. Living in Birmingham means dealing with a range of noises, from traffic and construction to neighborhood activities. Energy-efficient windows provide superior sound insulation, helping to block out external noise and create a quieter indoor environment. The thicker glass panes and insulating frames effectively reduce noise penetration, making your home a more peaceful place to relax and enjoy time with family. UV protection. Harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays can enter your home through standard windows, causing fading and damage to furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Energy-efficient windows with low E coatings minimize the amount of UV light that passes through, protecting your interiors while still allowing natural light to illuminate your space. This added layer of protection preserves the beauty of your home's interior and helps reduce wear and tear on your belongings. Improved condensation control. In humid climates like Birmingham, condensation buildup can lead to issues such as mold, mildew, and damage to window frames. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize condensation by maintaining a warmer glass surface temperature. This reduces the risk of moisture buildup and protects your home from potential water-related problems. Long-term durability and lower maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are often made with high-quality materials and construction methods that enhance their durability. Vinyl, composite, and other insulated frame materials resist warping, rotting, and fading over time. This means you'll spend less time and money on maintenance and repairs, allowing you to enjoy your windows for years without major upkeep. Enhanced home security. Modern energy-efficient windows often come with advanced locking systems and strong frames, improving home security. Many models feature multi-point locks and impact-resistant glass, making it more difficult for potential intruders to gain access. As a Birmingham homeowner, this added layer of security provides peace of mind for you and your family. Tax credits and incentives. Many energy-efficient upgrades, including windows, may qualify for tax credits or rebates. Check with local and federal programs to see if incentives are available for your window installation. These financial benefits can help offset the initial cost, making your investment even more worthwhile. Conclusion. The top benefits of energy-efficient windows for Birmingham homes extend beyond just savings on energy bills. By enhancing comfort, reducing noise, protecting your interiors, and promoting sustainability, these windows provide long-lasting advantages. Investing in energy-efficient windows not only boosts your home's value but also creates a healthier, more comfortable living space that you and your family can enjoy for years to come. Make the switch and reap the rewards of a more energy-efficient, comfortable home.